All right, I have to make this video again because right at the end of it, I realized I had my formula upside blooming down. That's really annoying. Really, really annoying. Okay. 422 xn plus 1 equals xn minus xn squared minus 10 over 2xn. Okay, let me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's definitely enough space then. Okay. 4, 2, 3. Xn plus 1 equals xn minus 4x xn power 4 minus 100 over 4xn cubed 424. So xn plus 1 equals xn minus xn squared minus xn over 2xn minus 1. 425 xn plus 1 equals xn minus xn cubed minus xn over 3xn squared minus 1. Get rid of this line here. I'm so annoyed by that now. I can't believe I did all of them backwards. Should have noticed sooner. Okay. So annoying. So annoying. 426. 426 xn plus 1 equals xn minus 1 no, don't do that mistake again, Stephen. Xn plus 5 cos xn all over 1 minus 5 sine xn. 427 xn plus 1 equals xn minus xn plus tan xn over 1 plus sec squared xn. 428. Take the 2 over to the other side. So I can say xn plus 1 equals xn minus 1 over 1 minus xn minus 2 over minus 1 over 1 minus xn squared. 429. This is kind of similar to the previous one. And I don't know if they are trying to get us to see that or not. You know, I'm not sure if that's the idea behind it, but it's supposed to be the same answer roughly. Xn plus 1 equals xn minus 1 plus xn squared, etc., etc., etc. And then the derivative, which is 1 plus 2xn plus 3xn squared plus 4xn cubed. I might as well write it in. Plus xn cubed plus xn 4. 430. Xn plus 1 equals xn minus xn cubed plus xn plus 1 cubed minus 10 cubed over 3xn squared plus 3xn plus 1 squared, and 431. xn plus 1 equals xn minus sine squared xn all over the derivative of sine squared is minus, so that's 2 sine cos, so that's minus sine 2xn. And let us try this again. Let us start with 3, or I think I was starting with 1.5 in the previous video attempt where I screwed it up. 1.5 minus answer squared minus 10 over twice the answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x5 equals 3.16. How many decimal places do they have here at the back? Looks like we're going for 3.1628. If I do for 5, then the next one, x0 equals 1.5. So what would x5 equal? Power 4 minus 100 over 4 times the answer cubed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe we should do another one. 6. Go with 6. 1, 7, 7, 1. Okay, here x0 equals 1.5. So x, let's see, let's try and get 5 again this time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 exactly. 1.5. Answer minus answer cubed minus answer over 3 times answer squared minus 1. So x0 is 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. x5 is 1. Okay. Next one. x0 is 1.5. So x5 equals answer plus 5 times the cos of the answer, or 1 minus 5 times the sine of the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 is enough here. 1.977. Okay. x0 is 1.5. Answer plus tan of the answer all over 1 plus squared over cos of the answer. 1, 2, 3. It's gone to pi over 2 on my calculator. So 4 actually took me to pi over 2. That's what it's being displayed as. And the next one goes to an error. Can't be pi over 2. So let me go back in time. 427. I mean, I could start at 0. You know that's an answer, but the question says not to do that. So I'll just start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gone up to 15. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's just shooting away to 15. It's not taking me to 0. Take me to the 7s. 5 pi over 2, and then error. So if I start at 1.5, then x4 would be pi over 2. I have to check that one later. Okay, 1.5. Answer minus 1 over 1 minus answer minus 2 over minus 1 over 1 minus answer squared. 1, 2, oh, I start with 1.5, I get it there pretty much straight away. Okay, that means the next one I think would be similar. All over 1 plus 2 times the answer plus 3 times the answer squared plus 4 times the answer cubed. So if I start here at 1.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. It's kind of oscillating between 2. Okay, so x large will be 0.3934 or 0.7916. So it's probably moving towards the 0.5, roughly. Maybe. But it's going to go there very slow. So I'm going to say that this should be roughly the same. Should be approaching this. And I think if I split the difference here, it's not going to be exactly the same though. So I'm going to say something like 0.5925. Okay. Answer cubed plus answer plus 1 cubed minus cubed all over. So let's start with 0.5, 1.5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 times 7.4055. And lastly, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now I'm going to try something alternative here. So I can say that x, it's about the same as solving x equals And then this would be x minus x cubed over 6. This sine squared are roughly the same thing. Approximately speaking, sine x is about the same, because sine x is roughly the same thing as x minus a 6th x cubed if x is small, which I think it should be. That's the only way the solution makes sense, because x can't go beyond 1. So we know x should be between 0 and 1. Oh, so maybe I shouldn't have started at 1.5, but that doesn't matter actually, because I got values less than that. So estimate. Okay, so let's try this again. So that means xn plus 1 would equal xn minus, and then on the top it would be xn minus xn cubed over 6 squared. And then on the bottom, it'd be 1 minus 2 xn minus xn cubed over 6 times the derivative 1 minus a half xn squared. Sorry about me squeezing that in. Let's start with 0.5. Answer minus fraction. On the top, x minus x cubed over 6 squared. And then on the bottom, 1 minus 2, 2 brackets here. And then the first bracket is the original. And then the derivative. Squared. So if I start with 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 would take me to 0. So what about if I try this again, but starting with 0.5? Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's the same problem. Do I have the derivative wrong? X minus sine squared, and then, oh, there's a 1 here. There's a 1. I missed the 1. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, so that's right now. So I didn't need to do that approximation. Forget you saw that. All right, let's check the answers now. What? 423, 3.16. Yeah, okay, close enough. Then 425, 0 minus 1 or 1. 425. Yeah, okay, fine. I was spot on actually. 427. Yeah. So, I said I'd come back to that one. I can see the answer is 0, but I don't think the method is working. So we'll repeat that one in a moment. Okay, 428. No, 429. 429. 5925. 5188. Yeah, okay, this is not too bad. 431 is a 0. That's good. I can roughly check the other answers. 422, that looks about right. 424, has to be 0 or 1. Yeah, that looks right. 426. Let's check it. 426. 1.977 plus 5 times the costs of 1.977. Yeah, that looks all right. That answer I can tell is right for 428. That we checked. So just 430 here. 430, I think the answer is about 7.4. Let's see, 7.4. 7.4 cubed plus 8.4 cubed. Does that equal 1,000? Yeah, 998. So that looks right. So it's just 427 we have to do again. So let's have a look at 427. So let's see, xn plus 1 equals xn minus 1, xn plus tan xn over 1, maybe I forgot the 1. 1 plus 1 over cos xn squared. So let's start at 0.5. One, two, three, 4. Yeah, it is 0. So I must have just mistyped the formula or miswrote the formula. Let's go back in time. Must have just mistyped it on the calculator, or maybe it doesn't work if you start at 1.5, but if you start at 0.5, you do get the 0. Let's see what happens if I start at 1.5. That works as well. I must have just typed it in incorrectly on the calculator. Okay, a messy exercise today, but we're finished now. Up to 431.